In terms of like meta ads, this one is how a full funnel campaign structure can look like. So we have campaign, for example, from the bottom of the funnel, just on the bottom. Those are like the main type of campaign I like conversion here, especially if you have, as I say, early stage marketplace, you want to tackle as conversion for early on. So you don't want to have like click. The only exception here we have like traffic campaign on the top of the funnel. It's just because that can bring more, as I say, cheap traffic to the website, but then you need to assess if the traffic is relevant or not. How to assess? Little trick understanding is how long a user spend on the website. If they're spending, for example, your average time session on the website, that can be a good traffic. And then we have campaign for like middle of the funnel, interest based. Also, we have middle of the funnel, Advantage Plus. Advantage Plus is a campaign that Meta is optimizing, like some of the component for you, but also you need a little bit more data sometime in the account to make those work. And other thing is Meta Ads catalog and sets. So inside your catalog, the catalog is basically all your products, similar to the Google Shopping, just inside Meta. One thing you can also create is you can create a subgroup of your catalog that are called sets. And my recommendation is also testing what are, for example, like the top rated product. Because by running a lot of ads, I see the majority of like user sometimes buy products they already have a lot of reviews. Or as I say, if they have a specific seasonality, or if they are like specific category, they are more interested as well. So a good rule here is having like a different set of your catalog, and that you can run for seasonality, you can run by category, so that you have a more granular level of data on the performance of those specific catalogs, rather than running all the catalog and spending money on all your products at the same time. Here, an example of stock X creatives. For example, in this case, only 11% of the meta ads are video. However, we can see a lot of big trends of marketplaces using more and more video. And also they, in terms of like the message, they try to underline the benefit of like verify sneakers and verify sellers. And also they're using a lot of UCG. Other example, we have Thumbtack and the creatives. I say all of the creatives here, they were like videos. So for them, it's like performing quite well. And then the main thing is also having different campaign for different stage of the funnel, and also they try to using UCG as well to showing the product. Fresher, also here we have 89% of meta ads, they're like video. So video, they're working quite well, especially in terms of like click to rate, because that is the first goal. Try to get like the click, try to get people landing to your website, and then try to convert those. And also they have inside the message very specific copy, for example, subscription free, booking software, and also they try to highlight all the main feature that they have and benefit. Other thing about testing, this one is another question that I receive quite frequently, how we can test ads on Meta. There is a lot of different way to do it. This one can be a good way to start, so that you have, for example, two different campaigns. So first campaign is like a testing box. So basically where you test different creative, different message, different audience. And then when you find something that is work, you create a second campaign where you have only the creatives that is working pretty well and you try to scale, so in terms of like conversion. Of course, also having like a campaign for like remarketing is very important, so just reminding people about about your company, and also especially because they already engage with your company. It can be, as I say, a website visit, can be also starting like part of like the checkout the journey but didn't finish. And also here an example on the right hand side, be very organized on your naming your ads when you're like testing. For example, here we were testing like different creatives and we have the same message and we were only changing one variable at the time.